how to easily teach your dog to sit. And we're going to use 3 simple steps. Sitting is the foundation for a lot of other tricks and commands, and it's pretty simple to teach your dog this trick. First step is just to show him a treat, get him interested in that treat. Then you're going to want to lift that treat up and push it towards his head so that he naturally lifts his nose up a little bit and pushes his butt downward. As you're pushing that treat forward, the dog is naturally going to go into a seated position. As soon as he does so, you say the key word. In our case, we're just using the word yes. Give him a lot of praise, and of course, give him the treat. So now I'll demonstrate. I show him the treat, push it forward. He naturally goes into that seated position. The next key here is repetition. You want to repeat that treat 8-10 times, and then, daily or every other day until it's locked in and he knows it. He knows it by heart. Again, get him interested, show him the trick, show him the treat, push it up and forward. He naturally is going to want to sit. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please check us out on the web at DIYeasycrafts.com. Thank you very much for watching.